So I've heard you talk a lot about favourite relative positioning when it comes to our relationships. What is favourite relative positioning?
Each one of us has a favorite relative. It's either a father, a mother, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, whoever. And these people all have a few things in common. First of all, they have our best interest at heart. They never make us wrong. They're very loving, they're very nurturing, they're very caring, they're very kind. And in return, we seem to listen to everything that they have to say. They have the maximum influence on us. So if we start modeling our favorite relatives and start doing the things that they do, and we show up in all our relationships as people who are nurturing, caring, loving, never make them wrong, are supportive, then we earn the same power in these relationships to talk straight to them and make things happen. Because unless there is that huge bank balance of love, of affection, of caring, of commitment, nobody's going to respond. So I tell people the best way for you to be an effective leader is to look at your favorite relatives and start modeling them. It's not written in the books. It's not written in theories. This is an experience. It's the presence of that leadership in your life. And the highest quality of leadership that you've ever experienced is the leadership from your favorite relatives. Start modeling them and you see the magic happen. It's so simple.